let's look how Romance and Violetta will show us slow foxtrot choreography with teaching count. And slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, 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 slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, 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 slow, quick, quick. Very good. Let's look once again, this time from opposite direction. And slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, 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 slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, 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 slow, quick, quick. And now let's look at same slow foxtrot choreography, but this time in slow motion. We start with preparation step and dance feather step, ending outside partner, then reverse wave with ladies heel turn. We continue with basic weave, 6 quick steps, then 3 step, and we dance another weave with ladies heel turn, which is natural weave, and hover telemark. Very good. Let's look once again. This time we will focus on directions. So we take close hold and start preparation. Preparation step moves diagonally to center. In same direction we dance feather step. Then we dance first 4 steps of reverse wave, ending backing diagonally to wall. Basic weave, we move down line of dance and finish diagonally to wall. We continue diagonally to wall with 3 step. Now another weave, which is natural weave in the corner. We move down new line of dance and finish diagonally to wall, and dance hover telemark, ending diagonally to center. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Romance and Violetta. And special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance, YouTube and Facebook videos. Thank you. And today, I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me, from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.